Hello, it's Russ here from Southampton, the driving instructor. Welcome to this latest selection of clips. On this first one, we've got a dual carriageway that's got some roadworks. The left lane is going to shut in about 400 yards. The signs are saying use both lanes, but this lorry in front decides to block off the inside lane, causing unnecessary queues. We can now hear in the distance ambulance behind us, so we're going to move into right lane to let the ambulance pass, but the lorry kind of blocks off that lane and prevents the ambulance from getting through. If you look carefully in a minute, you should be able to see the back end of a car poking out from some bushes. I'm not sure how he got in there, but the police had to arrive to help get him out again. Here we're going to have an unmarked police car. I'm travelling to a job. It should come into view pretty soon. So looking into the distance, you can see a white car that's going right. Unfortunately, he didn't make proper observations before he done the turn, and he caused us to slow down because he couldn't clear the junction. And here's another unmarked police car for you. Watch how his taxi driver cuts a corner as he turns into this road. And the silver car deciding it's better to go through a red light than to actually wait for a red light. It's a bit dangerous as there's somebody waiting to cross there. This paramedic's got his own ways of getting past the queues, and you know what, I can't blame him. So narrow road, parked cars on the opposite side of the road. It's my priority, but this van don't think so. A bit rude. Check out that car that's just been abandoned on the left. It's got quite a lot of damage on it. It's obviously had a crash at some point. There's a normal fist roundabout with lorry pulling out when you should be waiting. Well, that's it for today's selection. I'll come back for the next one. Take it easy. Bye.